Yep, my wife complains a lot that but she doesn't realize the master chef can't be rushed. Because she's impatient. She lacketh patience, right?
Because I'm so hungry.
I'm hungry too, but I don't get I control my appetite.
So what is you making?
I'm making a special creation today, the best food ever.
What?
Hey, who's this? Jay Matthews? Look, you next to the Jay Matthews. Man, look how fresh this ginger is, hun. You see how fresh it is? It's not fibery or anything. Old ginger is like
So what
fibery.
is in this? Is
That's the perfect ingredients. Green onions,
green onions and
fresh
garlic.
garlic, chopped to perfection.
Yeah. And that one is?
Fresh ginger root.
And this one is?
That's scraps.
Okay. And what else?
And we gotta keep all these souls away from us. Tell them to go away.
What you're making tonight? Today?
Today I'm making fried rice.
With?
Dried shrimp? Alright, you gotta hold it, hun. It's the master chef's at work. The best chef ever. Right, huh?
And?
No one's cooked like this
And?
fine fellow.
Black pepper.
And turmeric and a little bit curry powder today.
And
We're
where's
cranking up.
turmeric?
It's yellow, hun. Oh, you gotta keep it out the way of the chopping, though, hun. The master chef is like really funny about people like invading his
And
personal
turmeric.
space. And a little bit of curry powder.
Curry powder for fried rice?
Yeah, why not? It's good for you. Curry powder is healthy for you. It's the perfect medicine, hun. These herbs and spices. I told Hannah, like, don't mess with our.
Ang tagal niya pong mag-prepare ng kanyang
I'm doing the prep work.
ingredients.
Perfect. See that, folks? The perfect
Oh my.
ingredients. Perfect ginger.
Gutom na gutom na ako.
Boy, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait to try it. This is not the average fried rice that people make, right, hon? Remember edible oil
Ah, yes.
and skins of garlic and salt. No salt at all, hon?
Yes.
Spices only.
Tignan mo naman siya mag-iwa.
Well, I can't complain because Americans use a lot of salt too, so it's not just here. It's everywhere, I think. I know Americans too, you know. They're guilty of it too. Because me and Tyler used to tell jokes about Americans, how they use only salt. We would like laugh, but... Yeah, too many kids around here. I can't stand them. Especially when they get in your way. Like, start messing with your stuff.
So while he's
It's almost done here. See, you're in the chef.
making or preparing
Yeah, I'm just doing the prep work here. I'm like your sous chef.
his ingredients.
Sous chef.
Ano is this?
You keep away all those people.
J.
Entertainment. That's your
Matthew.
job. You got one special.
Hindi
task.
makalabas kasi community quarantine. Nasa bahay lang ang mga kids. Ito lang, saan yung iba?
What did she buy, hon? Mr. Money.
Okay, I'll be back, viewers.